Kurumsari Doming Tabir Times of Manipur talking point near the talking point and I see Queen Kanazaga Hiram si Manipur I see Hokiba the Midkara says the Tangdu Laita Laita Badugumba Pibum Mamada Lakli Hybatare Maru and a Quigi Nagagi Peace Accord Aduga Masigi Hosi Lane and Sigi Hosi Lane Lane Hosik CABC and the Tari Nintami Pumda but talk to them Masi Pasta on the Honorapana Maram Orega Amuk Hana the Gi Lady Mibusum Tangu Laita the amuka hena awaba ma hapchen ba nungnang ba ma hapchen bagi phibam dani lai basi adumapu amarom da yenga di masi center na khoi gi CAB gi matang da su kaisu thoidopa notice da sohol loi habi ge assurance people lai naga peace accord gi matang da su nagaland ga thangnaraga lai ri ba khoi thangna ba state sing su thoidopa masi gi interest sok pa tawhal loi habi si assurance piduna dum lai masi maksu state government da manipur gi miyam da su dumak thajaba thamduna lakli adumapu Nakalamarom da haiba thajaba thamba sigi ona taina bada miyamna di ngasi sudum khongjang changsin ba leptri hanagi kokomi gi makhada duguma changsin lamba kogi naga pisto ki matang da mi paidal lemba gi khongjang dugi mathak ta hojik CAB gi ikoi dana kogi 18 hours ki shutdown kau khiba sugumba mayam langli bo afam di hojik sugumba government ki assurance sil leina even prime minister na phawba haiba sugumba issue sida thodona soholo habagi assurance sil leina miyamna thajadri ba sikari gi no haiba sima ahan Hang Neduga Amarondana Asuk Chiriba Tanjasida Miamna Pamiba opposition parties in the Supamiba Assembly Mipam Koba Hibasida Thoidok Namasi Kobagi Matota, the Hain Haidaga, Lay Toli Basina Sigi, people's the Karigino Haven Chimba Wahang, Mayama, Aduga, Maru and Aquari Maru and Heidi issue, lady issues is that was it Paliba Manipur state government Sina Yamna effectively issues see handle Tauribra, Yamna delicate or Basuma issues see handle Tauribra, Hibasum Wahang see, Hanana beginning as Tanzania, luxury Basiduga, as he talking point Saru Yabi, say extreme right links in very legal department, BJP Manipur Pradesh convener. Tamo sobom nong punga mani tomo boy taram okshari mathangda maya election briefs na ex-MLA tamo RK nani tamo boy taram okshari aduga aigi hek right election briefs na ex-minister aduga veteran politician tamo joy ne tamo boy taram okshari Yan hanrai tamo nandu laksage wuziki tamo sungarang phongdo pikibuduni kogi BJP gi lairiba kogi MLA sing loina magna tu khadi masi uchi makun lo tuna leikre ka haiba kogi mathau tawdo ba haiba den lawdo ba khongdo miyam na yaw law kogi tawri bisi di yawshan da na masi basi leithokre haiba wafam do dum yawna rabne hoji aina hoji an lakse ningi si effectively haiba kogi sum issue si miyam gi ihul khangna ngasi gi lengak sina masi handle tawri bribes da tamu ya hamba wafam kadang thambigene
Pudam I make it a kai kumna do extend of the lady was the issue see Marweda issue any the quick and toxin and dill tox I have Nina Zixi issue see I mean the Damalakani Marweda quickie quite a quickie survival the quickie existence the quick politics the quite jati in a quite identified of very quick and was the Quite threat perception, quite a one, of course, character I have often see Maruida, Quiggy Maruida, Qui Indo Naga Hagadra, Sigi Peace Accord, Sida Quilin, Yam Chow Mamita have died. Sini, quite a Joe threat we say. And the Sigi area Maruida, Quay Coco Misi, it is the representative, legitimate representative of the voice of the people of Manipur, and also all politicians in terms of social organization assembly the parliament duly elected they are also represented. The Myangi voice lakpi issues major issues in not any appropriate issues in high day. Mayam sings the voice, Hanaki Matang Maruena, Trevor agreements, the Mayamamo quick doubt slave, Masi agreement of no consider quick and not Mayam sings it. Masi Sigi, Sina Yainatri Yadi, Masi Chamintra, Lali, Wapams Lakumatam the Kokomi is the body that represents our voice. On the Haining Idi, Karigidamutta Assembly. Assembly is rather quite a conservative state of people sing political loiba any issues social economy OBI cultural OBI any decision high day loruk pagi highest policy confirmed over policy formulate or masi me decide about so minatra lali masi tawsina to debate se see this the proper forum ne and akoi Manipur gi life threatening high day akoi civilization adigi akoi gi identity political identity akoi even national identity high day mr yamna threat yam chawna la aga akoi gi Manipur kai ya bai wafam la akoi jati se mang he ya bagi the whole nest the integrated being of Manipuri side there si mang ya bai wafam la kan sidadi yes hana man lo resolutions akoi na 2 times akoi na MLA ne akoi na house representative ne so time and again akoi si since low lai the people have been demanding it people are still demand to update to matok ta 100 times 1000 times lo matok ta enkali but so is the ngasi assembly the kai luba jati sig existence da koi survival da koi kai bia bagi masim se ta bia bia keeps la kan sa koi na decision lo bungam de ha se koi representative decision lo bungam de ha se they are failing high then makoi to bum basic duty koi assembly da chatlaga ngasi MLA singna makoi na tawdo mathau torukta the government sigi mai mathau torukta opposition yes opposition gi moi hue and cry ha ta moi tom thok me am torin lo ya but tawgoda appropriate oriba authority the government ni cabinet ni cabinet decision lorga house ta masi me am se tanaka ne haibung am da se si khwai digi khoi tragic wave devastating wave khoi assembly da khoi gi yob jati si wave survival gi na ta khoi da la kan da wari bam lobung am da vibe se si khwai digi khoi da khwai digi nuai ta tang ka do history le hugri hai ba du ni da masi le honing gi khoi di Manipur kan ba pa mi jati se kan ba pa mi under any circumstances khoi ipai pu sing da thambir but that legacy political social economic cultural legacy se it should not be touched it should be left untouched. I say, government of India, this is our legitimate and also legitimate. Natana, a hibum tokpa, demand of tokpa, quina Matampurma coina, Natham, whatever the Hackney right neighbor. And the sea area, the Naina Karidamukta, why some of the Nasi, Quigi, Miami, Mihut Kanmatam, the D, Levaki, anything, Levaki, Wafan the Tony had a promise or Mogamadu. Vote period kakiba MLA myam adagi maduda vote kak ranga si sarkar paire myam sing sida mogi basic duty fulfill tawdu se this the biggest crime in terms of khoi ke no sida khoi context the hype the present context the khwai gi chawba khoi tawroi da political crime ne loweba cc this is one thing hai tare hoi hojiki ke no lei sida aina khoi ke no de hangya anchor de hangnim basi one area ni aduga loinam ti ate di matham thong lakadra in khalian na si haije baga loina na ina moi chu appeal tawning bese ngasi suni hoi kokomi na khoi keno ga government ga stand off na ke duga masda wari sana bi ya hoi ngasi ai evening da di wari sana have pom di taji I don't know how far it is materialized I don't know cry ba yok gi khangjate adubu wari sadna leiba matam da assembly gi rules se mas dilute to se government sina to mum thokte in khali MLA myam sing si assembly de chatli si ngasi parliament pham se mogi allowance to gi na te myam na thar si khoi oi decision se noi lowai na sina bani na sai area si da makoi na tumin le sam dong to ba na han to da leba ki ba ai na ta sa da khoi honorable same na lead to ga cabinet wa pham da decision lo ga ngasi assembly hold to rong khono tam da my cabinet masing should have wafum lagi adagi MLA myamama especially ruling the MLA myamam gi masing sui should mi tram wali gaib se it is tragic see amna hui political history da hui Manipur gi assembly gi history da quite unfortunate way amam period amne I want to feel to je adu ngasi suri leba ki wafum sidi ngasi so koi thamjari ngasi leiriba government sumungai leiriba MLA sula MP sumungai praja punam everyone one and all Asi Manipur kai ba pam de se khoi asem warep ne bo se filter am gani ado filter gari act ai wa pham yang clear oi aduna uchi uchi de campaign to je de ngai man to bi wani aduga chi gi dona lu lo le gi tar gadi ai de kari ga na hai re ba kai no khoi MLA me am se uchi on gari khoi mem se bo ni lui cha thok khram cha ma chin se cha thok khram cha wa pham se bo lai ba hangui do wafam ni baden I want to filter buduni this not be done see to thokten loi to ji Manipur gi yamna Maru Tangak, Maruina, Quigi, Central Standi, Prime Minister, Wagi, Prime Minister, Mamangi, India period, they have been very elusive, quiz the Tazava P. Bahaga, the period, Tazava Mam, see one, Luicha Kivanira, Matamuda, Quendi, Baspai government, later Matam Haida, with due respect to the late Baspai Honorable former Prime Minister, Matamuda Quida Genutaway, Quida Manipuri territorial integrity under any circumstances will not be touched. And the ceasefire we extend to beyond Nagaland. High with the high, even Matamnugi, NDA convener river, George Fernandez, Matamdu in Fal Lavkanda. I had the opportunity, I had Sama, the Tamok Kademani, who is now acting chairperson of Laigidra, Yamba, Roy Tongam, Maru Navasham, Marie Manga Habitai, Matamdu, Ningsan Javada, Laigidra, led. Hanagi Rishangi Singbok to Pong Rishangi Singbok, Matam to present with Rankali. Sure, Sena, Mayamgi Lakpani, the Manipuri territorial integrity, Matam, the facts, the the claim made by them as their territory. We know High Country, no Hiramaga, but then on his flight to Delhi, it was announced.
Okay.
Otherwise, it has a Mangi Baneba. Trust if it comes Clemson. And the Padiam Taza Pirasu. I couldn't have a later. That's the reason why home in the assembly hold on the Prime Minister level, the Home Minister level, the cried and couldn't convince them. They have been denied audience also.
Okay.
I might have say why the Prime Minister is political party one that was Congress Mamam's lady. He must meet them. Parliament Manipur is a quick state, Maniko. They are elected people, but do respect of you. It's not only the MP, the Prime Minister who's elected. MP, MLS members elected them. Opposition party, they still are representative. They should be duly honored. They should be given audience, give assurance that this will not be touched. I don't know BJP, especially BJP, MLAs, they have the one and all, without leaving out anyone. Directly, let's do this. People want this. Miami Assembly is how to prove the hoax is here. I think
Tanzala hoax yamna tragic oiba yamna devastating oiba dugumba phase of kogi Manipur history ni haibani thamon bukat pisi kogi sigumba chireba tanzas assembly kaudaba duga especially ruling the MLA sings na ruling the representatives na masi kholaus the yausal lakta bai si laibak thibani haibani breaking news sabta ai thamjabani hojikta lakpa pawda kokomi ga lenga ka kogi phamindana wari sana ki bedu yanaba purakpa ngamdabadagi kokomi na duma changsil lamba khongjin makha na changsin khigani haina lauthokre habasma hoji una breaking una lakpani Times of Manipur da han boin break pizari madudi Laingaka Kokomi Gimihusinga Wari Sanaba Hosik Lui Kibaga Luina Yanaba Porokpangam Dabadagi Maru in a Masequina Maru in a Quigi Masigi Assembly Ko Habagi Wapam Duda where I'm botanically exactly when a Kambudingam Dredumapu Hari Bagui even Sangai gave Quigi boycott Tobugi Pirepsipo Handokta Bigi Pibum the late hat and Ziko in a loud talk Havasima Lenga Gimihusinga Unaruma to the Masima breaking pizza in Haitare. Tamu relax again. Hojik Tamon Siam Fazana Tambi, I'm devastating over Manipur, Sugum Tanza Assembly Makobungam Dabasi, I'm not quite demoted like Tibani Hibidani. Why is the government reluctant? Sugum Tanza State Assembly Ko Busi, Mato Tile Lobi, Madam Katan, Hiram Quigin, Sugan Tapiraga, the government reluctant or is Karigino have seen.
I'm on the I wafam the Kananaba Kogi TOMTV talking point I koi wafam the Kanabagin why with the far away to go. The same Makti Yaringa Kanan never see all the never Honda. I do. I see.
Nebaki.
My I Tangai Fadana. I Yaubani. And but the framework agreement. A framework agreement, framework agreement itself is a defective agreement. Madam the framework agreement Yanaripsi Yanan, but the unique history of Naga is recognized. Yes, Nagagi. Unique history she recognized though, Karimatangano. Naga gi peace talk si porok na ba hot na ba da Naga gi political solution peace porok na ba hot na ba da particularly in Manipur in general northeastern region da with especially reference to Manipur context.
Right.
Other the Nagagi unique history is recognized that we have a framework agreement gi book close in it clips the history of Manipur.
Right.
We have the history. I have a day am na Hanjaroi, Sahi Mayama, Maning Tamaleva, Weramba. Maduna, I koi Yumlon Kairona, Valepak Mayam, the Magi territory Sando Amba. Maduna Karim Kana sometimes Warubudia there and record says even Kohima Dhauba Ningtogi, a Kongul Tanamba. That is the history. 1891, the 1925 Pauda Sahi Tarit Kuntakwa Amuhan restored over. 1891, the Aikoi Matamdugi Aikoi Karihaidare, imperialism. Loiram Sandopapamba Sayaki officer. Ma kakpa Anglo Manipur war songnaba Parsigi sagai the Parsi taukiba. I think it is one of the unique history in the histories of the world. I understand claim to me. Understand mayam ako hatpa kotpa madagi Mani Bharat Prasagi Ninka Tambagi Andalonda Landam Sida Pokpa Mishina Indian National Army the Yaw than a Barot Ki Ning the Maporon of Honakiba Barot Ki Asi Pai the Independence Firal Barot Ki Parliament Barot Ki Capital Delhi the Pai thing in the Moirang Payan Giver. We took the role. I could give forefathers in. We have the history. Adubu unique history of Naga Naga history do nain Naga. Manipur history is this particular clause in the framework agreement eclipses the history of Manipur. I don't want Yamna bias wina Satpadona. Kari Haini Nan Nagas sing the Adunata Daikoi Kongjai Lam, Chonaki Handakta. Sitting Mayam like Singumba, Itias Mayam Zemasi, though within a framework agreement Zemakti. ID Nan Nagas Mayam the bias way Badum agreement. Aduk agreements here. Masimakshu ID defective way agreement la. Aduga. Okay, Mingshel have kind of defective way. The fun of me was Changi Mama, Bapai, the Paidan Lay, because of this biasness of this particular article of the framework agreement. Madamona Manipur Miam, the Yan Han Bayam, song, the sing Nabama, Yanam the Pole.
Right.
Ayak Sigumba Sidata I Siri Viren, Ibu Viren, Akogi, Barot Kilu Sing Basing Unaraga High. Akogi Barot Ki Home Minister, Ma Prime Minister, Pandra, I BJP leader, Nasigi Barot Ki Home Minister, Honorable Home Minister or Prime Minister, when a high Akoi Manipurgi Hujik lady was the interest of the Soloi High. Madu the Ihana, but Tazu Madam D. This is number one. Amani. Atopa Amada Hujik Akogi Siri Birin Lusing Basakar si 2014 gi April gi tang tarada si Minister Masa government, council ministers, and other MLAs, and including all important top officials of the state, was welcome at Ukur. Maduda memorandum of peace, Madudi Naga framework agreement support to. Naga integration support to. District Tarep Nipan Madu Hando, national highways, the security Tajal Laga, okay, Lalo NS Enema when the Pishakari si Madu Tingnen Tarambadu Madu Handoko in high. Made the Birin Gimama the memorandum, the Piraka and the Birin Madu Akoi memorandum to man, Pazana Yo Magapu, don't like man. Sometimes he told Akoi, Chief Minister Ibo Bina, Siana Pati the Zatkanda, Akoi, welcome to Sam Nagal High Kanda the Birin High, Nakoi, no fet Torgalai. Well, in his presence, in the presence of the old cabinet colleague, his colleagues, officers, but Karim Haidana. Akoi mayam the pool I Madagi Man Hiram Basi Akoi democratic country ni Bunam Kanaraga way but Tony Haidana. In other sense, he assured and committed. As if how the 19 Madudagi nang as if how the government the Adugumbagi Yabi Wam Tadi Aduna si Atopa Poinamani. Anisubada Akona Kangi. Naga People's Friends. Naga People's Friends. Masi Bata Janta Party na high Masi Akoi state ki integrity the Sopa the party ne Akoi Chamin Royan. After the election, Chamin Agre. Naga People's Friend ki Hojigla Constitution Simak Akoi Masi Amna Akoi Nagang Aktagi Akoi state ama same niga FC am unsecular weba. Am common and loy before the money. Maduki party to Mak Masi Wafam Simak I 2012 ki 2012 the Manipur government the gi Ekoi election commission the other Manipur gi home department the hangi Masi Yabri Adabra and Yam Beko party si Ekoi Hujik seminary. Adugamu Hojik framework agreement of Neriba Ekoi Kano say, Ekogi NSN framework agreement, Mayam Kangi, Fujiti Naga, Mayam group Yaure NSN, Ayamga, Ekogi India government Gatona Bani. NSN, Ayamga India government Gayam, the same agreement Tona Toneriba Sigi Masigi Kari Haini Mahut Simba party or in a Toriba do. Government gets up in the Rakanda Manipur Prajana. Government, she then took Imobiri and the Tajabi and Warkani, and the BJP the Tajab Warkani. Sina Singba, Akoi Madam Mayam delay, Aduna, Akoi Shaida, Hojik Naga Peace Talk, Akoi Naga Peace Talk, she Akoi Sahi 1975 Tagi Horokpani Aduga, Masi 100 lakre.
Background history to the Quay.
Yare, 1 lakh with the
assembly
lakh. Aduna 1 lakh was the give 44 years, 1 lakh was in a without territorial limit, I see peace process Manunda money. Madani, Akogi, Kadimi try one sigri. Madaida, as I Imoan and the Pangiva. Adi Matanga Pan Nagabodi, Sufra state. The framework agreement, it is about 44 years old, as long as 44 years in the process now. Adu Mastaida, Akoigi, Hari Bawa, Kanadi Mayam, Pare, Akoi, Hujik Mayam, Stain, the Leva Amakaiva. Leva Amakaiva, she say, listen, a character about the character of Leva Kaiva was the and Lubalatre. And the Mayam Vidavi, the peace settlement the Akoigi Naga Singi Davi the pinning bangi Pio Adubu Manipur interest the much yet about poinum so interest sopa yaro chineva ado kahelo ju haire kahelo haire ga di fare yes kokomi Manipur praja mayam gi litto na nomi ado kokomi na lobo warip tu di lebak miyam ki warip ne haiduna lobo di yaroi BJP na lobo warip na su yaroi Congress na lobo warip na su lebak amasung miyam gi warip di oide Madam, the parliamentary system of democracy, the parliament represents the entire population of India. Manipur Assembly represents the entire population of Manipur. Maduna, Manipur Assembly kauraga kairo ito hule di madita kaubuda kari kaibale bage sini. Madai da akoi chief minister ki makai de ki paku mamapi madudi akoi assembly trying to kaure hai na. Sahi nipu marigi peace talk da assembly trying to ira kaura di aduga taseng makti assembly gi karigumba wafam ama haibse tha taruk le de amu hat kawu ya madugi wafam je am khana ba ya wafam je subject chi tha taruk le di kana ya aduga di Manipur gi integrity kan bagi matang da tha taruk leiraga khanaba yaraga di sahi nifu mari da di yambada wari marfuga nipal lawba yayo aduga sahi nifu mari da wari train thoi lawraga di sahi ahum makhai gi manung da amam da wari lawba gum bane aduna aikoi assembly si yam kogre ga haiba madugi logic to understand tawde aduna ngasi ju aigi makai dagi di assembly kofam thoi kogadabni Kauroi devi maram je ai taseng na hair kanda ai koi huji hari ba ai na haide ki ba factor mayam sina
masina maram
oiraga kaudabani atop amada Bharat sarkar na sigi matang da ai koi gi ngasi laiba BJP ki government sina ai koi huji laiba matang de assembly kaudana ba su hairam gani thaje maram ani sei kaudabani taseng wakti assembly kauro kana ba ai se achum ba oigani aduga kokomina dabi tawriba Manipur pradana dabi tawri se masi achum boy gani assembly kaudna ulai tarai da ngang leiba hebase madugi logic leite
ai BJP gi ki legal department gi gamini da gi madugi pakhum haiba tare assembly kaudaba si ngoroi na gi naga issues gi matang da Manipur kai ba yabagi sigum bagi matang stage da hana kayarak hanna assembly na resolution lawdana madu thak ba leiraga su hojik lai ba habdi aho manai haiba tare matam masi mamang na lawgi ba dumak thajan ji haiba nate but matam dugi aho ma tu na kitang haptom jin tawraga amhana reaffirm tawba si changi haiba si da thoidukna prime minister ge assurance yenga masi assembly kawai mathau tadri haiba si da koi gi damajoni tapi rumaina factors kara NPF ki ukuruli assurance ki laiba khara sina masi kaudabani haiba si da BJP gi badal kai ne thamini
adi assembly se kai do bogi kaudino haiba jiki thambi bi sigi mamangda ina thamning bakhra thamjare adi issue si naga pistok ki matang da hojik yamna khoi tamona takpi ba yamna devastating oi ba yamna tragic situation ina takpi oi tamajoni su mai takpiri ada aina thamjaningina tasingna tragic oi ba devastating oi ba harji karam ground da kamai hai jano saigi manung du da framework agreement gi manung da parab jala adigi natraga even ekoi gi sarkar paibiri ba BJP na luchinga ga paibiri ba taiti coalition government ko mokoi gi mi sing sinabo udaba adugumba chine ba ada si yaure kaina ga presumption da pangai da biduna di tragic oi natraga yama devastating oi re kaina haibasidi presumption da hairaga praja si hena ki helaga saka tugaina bi mong da lakpra kai si hangba yabu wang adum oi ba haiba tare ada amurom da haiga Manipur si yamna nungsiraga di koi tamajoi shawbiri congress na yamna Manipur si nungsibiraga di thaina koi gi 1970 to the 4th August joint agreement for the integration of the United Naga Integration Council with all India Congress Party na shoi tawigi ba madugi du koi madu handok chare kaina nga si congress na hai desna kariro adi matam du da moina agreement condition 1 da moina hai grisi agreement on political stand na makha yawe ada mana hai risi congress adi naga integration tawnabo honabasi yai na hai ri Congress na di masigi agreement on minor head no chi agreement on political stand hai masda sign togrisi matam dugi president lere akoi masi mai ming si ais nilamni sing hare risang kising masa yawi James si general secretary UNI sigi yaure risang kising masa sam hai aina hajin ngina
madugi potu na ta
aina hajin ai du lak sigi ai lak sigi jireba tanja hairi se aina hajin ngina Congress na leiba hojita khangnu sirak pose matam du da aduk sangna ngasi ba Congress na ji masigi kanu si handu e de haidri ba sigi akoi madu ari ki matam da amuk kanu pisangri ni memorinda pisangri ni punjan biro kaina Congress ki moi mayam na ada aduma mayam to from matung da ngasi khatang ngarang khatang leiba ngu sirak pose kitang phajaba wat
adu Congress na leiba ngu si da ki akoi su ba yai hairi bra
aduna aina haijin ngina aduna haijin ngina
address to disi kari gi no
aduna aina haijin ngina aduna
party line gi wa na ta
party line gi wa na te aina haije adu aina haijin ngina aduma situation mayam le ragadi ta sena Congress na nungsi ngasi ki tragic situation ni devastating situation ni haigadi madu su handokpam thoi jinena now coming back to the main issue a tragic situation in hairisi karam ground da haib jan akhoi gi miang dadi tragic natte akhoi gi miang dadi masi devastation gi situation natte yaudri natte yaudabante sungna natte maram di akhoi gi central leadership ta koi full faith lei jai ba central leadership nam haibi gre koi gi honorable prime minister su hai gre lebak ti karim ta kai ba sok pa lei roi chap chabu hai si there will be no harm at all to Manipur honorable prime minister wahi niko ada adugi hamdu hoji ekoina amukchu koi political party mayam chalaga hairasi administrative thugai bigenu adagi koi gi territorial integrity leibising thugai binu hairasi pulap chalaga mu hairu bane ba hairakan assurance pire kairu hena ana assurance kaya hana piwani iraga pidori bra maram di after all honorable prime minister of such a big country home minister of such a big country maram di atop magi su chume koi tamon takpi ba ekhoi su lamdam sigi nagrik ni ekhoi nagrik amagi phangphang to phangbi yai ba adu atop nagrik chu leidana ko ana adugi assurance mayam ama leira kan sidai da ekhoi gi tragic situation ni point of devastation yore kan haiba sidi kitang haibi henman bra aduna adugi situation akhoi gi assurance leira matam sidai da koi tamukan nu takpi gre trani thorak resolution low gre hadna resolution trying thorak lower ga chamana bod assurance layer potu samna habida sum angang masa sana bodo no pangko ko budu di kitang hemen bra du ko
okay
hai ba potu wani da so assembly phambai basi assembly phambai basi phamba koi sana ba potu natte ekoi no already assurance bibi re kairo hedana adigi masi kairo hai wa pham si kaya ra su media da su kaya mau thule hujiti han gi wakal surprise state madu gi wakal hu pumang mangre matam dale mi surprise state kan mu claim to mi adu maduma wakal leitre hu ji ekoi na territorial integrity kai ro hanjan hanjan hai ro ji territorial integrity kai ro haiba kai ro thugai bi ade na hairam badi hu ji mu ekoi gi administrative integrity kai bi yaroi hai adu ga ekoi na BJP gi Manipur Pradesh na hairina adu khatana ti ba ekoi na hairina koi na Bharat Sarkar da hairisi territorial integrity kai bi yaroi administrative integrity kai bi yaroi adu da natna ngasi mak kai dragasu ngasi chahi nifu gi matung di yangkhai gi matung da kairek patu su yaroi hai bani ba akhoi ni hina concept ni wari da atei political party me amna hai badi territorial integrity kai bi yaroi administrative integrity kai bi yaroi hai badi dagi hendu ga akhoi na haina ngasi mak tawba thabuk tuna ngasi mak kai dragasu hayeng chahi nifu ma yangkhai ma chama gi matung da kai ni nabagi mong du lak patu su yaroi hai putu ni akhoi gi BJP na thamjari se adugi situation se da kanona akhoi gi just politicking oina assembly ko haibadu di already hanjin low ba warep tu amuhanari farm to se akhoi tamujo in takpi chahi taru khudingi achoi tha taru khudingi to we tha taru khudingi lowbudu gi athramadi lebam thoidana leibam thopadu leiroi da potu da assurance leiba karimta kiningai letraba adu madu da hanjan sum lawu sana bagi mong du kitang demand du kitang henman bra kanman bra hai wa pham
okay hojik lairiba miyam gi mai ai laksage miyam gi ithilsi hoi madu gi ꯌꯦꯡꯂꯒ ꯑꯦꯁꯦꯝꯕ꯭ꯂꯤ ꯀꯧꯒꯗꯧꯕꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯉꯥꯡ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯕꯗꯧꯅ ꯇꯧꯒꯅꯤ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯀꯧꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤꯃ ꯕꯤꯖꯦꯄꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯔꯤꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯦꯟꯇꯦꯇꯤꯚꯅ ꯊꯝꯕꯤꯕꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯝ ꯃꯤꯅꯤꯁꯇꯔꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯁꯨꯔꯦꯟꯁꯅ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯄꯨꯛꯅꯤꯡ ꯐꯥꯊꯅꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯠꯂꯤꯁ ꯑꯃꯨꯛꯇꯪ ꯐꯝꯕꯁꯤ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯒꯤ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯅꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯁ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯇꯥꯃꯣꯅꯟꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯂꯣꯟꯗꯨ ꯑꯦꯖꯨꯝꯁꯟ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯖꯨꯝꯁꯟ ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯅꯤ ꯗꯤꯚꯥꯁꯇꯦꯁꯤꯡ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯖꯤꯛ ꯑꯣꯏ ꯀꯥꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯔꯛꯀꯗꯧꯔꯤꯕꯨꯁꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ ꯁꯨꯛꯅꯠ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯐꯤꯕꯝ ꯁꯨꯡꯌꯧ ꯌꯧꯗꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤꯗ ꯇꯥꯃꯣꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯈꯜ ꯊꯥꯒꯠꯄꯤꯒꯅꯤ
ꯑꯩꯅ ꯈꯟꯕꯗ BJP ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ if this is the view official view of the BJP that thinking itself is tragic.
Okay.
ꯑꯩꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤꯗ thinking ꯗꯨꯅꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯁꯤ threat perception ꯂꯩꯇꯦ. You know how Manipur kamai tawno India ki part of yesi there is this yamna nungaitam episode amaneba. Because of mayamna harisi the tragedy political tragedy annexation ne haideneba. Because of that annexation ngasi insurgents to la lobi phim lakhe ne Manipur sida. Thoki ba tok to I'm just narrating. Aina thamjane gi has the government of India has been in the past moisi kari haini honest Ibrahim in anything dealing with northeast especially Manipur sibu kingdom ne na ko yam chawthok chana 33 AD dagina 1890 bauki Anglo Manipuri war haitar khongjom lal tawri matam sida koi pakhang ba kari nongda line pakhang mai matam dagina kulachandra matam se legi se I think Madhu Laki and Tomatam Laki Mam says this is our history, a quiggy sovereign history, the quiggy one of the quite the oldest Asian countries there's high neighbor. Sigi Mayam Singh Quina India, the Sanga Kansi, what was the honor given to us? It was reduced to party state. Every facility is cut off, assembly that political status was reduced to estes. Utto can talk about Madubo. Maduri Horanga tragic history is a matam to evolve to then Matam Kara Quiggy Territorial Council and then Union Territory, like only later part, even Assam carve out to give because of some armed rebellion, Kurtaruka Dunia Haribo, which will now Nagani claim to Ramians and Sigina, even their state came much earlier. When putting a Hana Taweba. Sila Krematam Tamiko, a Manipuri tragedy today, Hajari said. In 1960, the MLA British line, the Sakranga Madazu Chinga, Quiggy, Tamga divide away. Akwidi, we have been losing one after another politically. Akwi, in terms of integrity compromise, we have been made to compromise. Politically, Akwi pressure the Rosam, we said the black hair. Which is Nahan Aida Hajabase. I mean, why Heidi at the Hyde the Haramadia, he may be compelled to speak. Yam tragic when he says June 18, how do you read June 18? June 18, I want to put this question to the BJP, every one of them. Prime Minister, the Home Minister, the CM, the Mari and Kangadi. June 18, he was part of that hesitation to line up the Leru, entire BJP in Manipur, the June 18, they have sacrificed for Manipur. That too. Kadam begin with the ceasefire to the claim to the boundaries. Others say ethnic line, Nagani Hajalaga, Nagalim guard Semulaga, Ladiba Nagagi, Limgarki, Manumba, I'm saying the Topa tribe or do cookie wagram or you all become Nagas and forced can never to say. A quick unification never. Madura resist or Buduna Maram Oregangasi cookie Gamogin conflict lakiba. That boundary, artificial boundary. Karkaramada, Muilam Sundatabada, cookies are there, top tribes, ma'am lady, top of ma'am lady, when Nagani has a muslere, Simui boundary, Yarpas satisfaction extended to Hypagineba. Bago declaration like this. All covered already neighbor. In the Agonza Matamada at some point of time, I'm willing with neighbor. No, this will be tragic. It will have political implications, consequences later in the Yadeba. Because of Muibagi pressure, the maternal is at Kibase. But Mabaya Lakan, the interlocutor, I can't the Yadana. Bangkok Declaration lakhe because of that akhoi opposed to akhoi yadi habse matam to prime minister na India government hojiki ladiba BJP led government matam da why prime minister honge matam da akhoi prajana yadi sina hayeng mui territorial claim na madugi legalized or legitimized or habis akhoi hane advance khangre ba yadi habi dum ta ne ba yadi to da boina tawrupagi ne ba juni tin thokri se people have sacrificed their lives boundary yat pada hojiki kari lai end part to neighbor. Masing rankai hai. Nasi any single stand up is a maximum autonomy. kari form no khande territorial council oidoira pan naga oidoira cultural body oidoira anything in any form no lakane ba the government of Manipur from hana khoina yaujar government haidara khoina tawjar padi hujiki si natana kai tawge da it should not be a administration it should not be compromised, it should not be diluted. Any development over say fifth schedule, 50 autonomous councils, empowerment maximum toro.
Right.
But through that fund PO, no objection. But sixth schedule yaroi, no autonomous canola yaroi. See me, I'm saying, and see the Kaitorka get a queen Lambi maneba. It is a paving a way, creating a room for future, claim for statehood or union territory. See them like the state within a state. India the a nation within the nation. India is the Lerkans the Karigidamta Mubadangasi the Daitorino. Separate constitution. Shared sovereignty interpretation. Union list, state list, concurrent list, shared sovereignty. They have been somehow convinced. Yabi the who come they go. The battle is Karigumba Masida constitution of Pure. Moin Hariba Mayam Sanction Yaro, but a nation within a nation Lakane and the Modi government Yadri neighbor. Jammu Kashmir Article 370 broke it. Why? A nation within a nation that we hide the Muta Indiagi unity the hang effect or can I be neighbor. That is the reason. And quite the hierarchy in the context, a state the context, a state within a state. Lade have say once see Mayam claim the Mayam P. Daragadi, she will be devastating. Judatin talking to just a boundary marked over whole Purico, hint some people, the trailer in Lowy, which is Silva end part of concluding part in La Eba. February agreement, they've cheated us. Agreement of look at the way. A way the stakeholder with Natini. We are rightful owner of this land. See the owners it under the Muimasin, the Mitop Lakoman, since the Hui Lamji, told the Haitadi, we'll have to fight, we'll have to die for this. We see what I see Levas Canada. See, see the see a young Lurans the Quay. I am Marubi in the assembly Kongam the Vice. Why am like Rema coming to find those country? I don't know.
Okay.
I don't know.
Why?
Other BJP the hiding the tragic in the sense catastrophic or can I have the sick of which I'm going to have the Maskasi Manipur. One miney we are determined. Assembly is the highest forum. Assembly what if Lobu Natana, which is Prime Minister. Prime Minister the Choba Kadum P by say the any Sengi lady pressure se counter to say assembly Lorga Miami what is Sile quite be honorable CM little my cabinet minister Miam Litoroga MP Miam Litoroga political party Miam Litoroga could not say a prime minister Tong Tilaga Tong Hango Quiggy what is the Tadia in parliament from so high we got slave Manipuri same CM high Ibany day Mr. Party so I say the BJP Nangasi assembly from the Pagi Niga Kalaba Padam Nindiga Pagi Niga Pai Hagono, which is Tamojo, is 7 times, 8 times, Nasi assembly is a panel avenue. Assembly functioning, assembly dealing interpretations, and the Kamai to get from the parliament, I'm expert. I summer 2 times, a maybe were money. Manipuri interest, Kamai to Putugari, as a quick Kangi and try, having a day. Coco Minari say, all experts, Manipur Miami, Nasi labor feeling, Manipur Miami, legitimate rights. Nasi claim Mayam Singh Tabu in Pangtono Assembly is the proper forum Nena. Very legitimately, very legally. Two high Harpase, the BJP Yantarai try Lorgadi BJP. It's up to the BJP to face the Karihani Masigi music high Tariko. Thank you.
Badumak ni kuna sunai breaking pizza ki buduni ngasi nung dawai koi ki koko migi mihut singa lenga ki mihut singa lady ba koi ki stalemate sigi matang da wari sana bada lekai tana ba koi ki yana ba purpa ngam kidabna maram morega koko mina hana dei changchin duna lakba masda koi ki sangai festival boycott to bugi khongjing jauna hai batare makha tana dumak changchin thigani hai bisni mainly koina taseng ma tangdana ma kari da yana da bano hai ba khang mangam dra so assembly mifam kau ba hai bisi koko migi prime agenda oina yaw khibina maswai da koi Puji Maxu died the stuck to no later, I have a sequence. Tazabani, but I break him, Matung the break to Losi, break him, Matung Davski, BJP, Kwigitamu, Nabuma, Tambikiba, Sigi Tanzasi, tragic way, devastating way, Dreduna, Assembly Coach Lucy, Angang Tagatra, I have a veteran politician, the Gi, among Moramaloki, Brampton, looks at it.
Manipur ihan hanbo oina lamjingba jewelry na market ta phangba sana mayam sigi quality check tawbagi khudong chaba pijari. Adom-adom gi leijariba sana yauriba alloy amadi elements kaya gi chang marik chumna accurate quality amadi quantity ga loina na khanghanba ngamlagani. Lamjingba jewelry na pijariba khudong chaba asi lobi ho adom gi sana adu sengi natraga sengde haibagi chingnaba adu kokhanbiyo. Akupa marol gi damak lamjingba jewelry da lengsinbirao.
Lamjingba Jewelry, good quality is our priority. Iramdam da fangba polam singna iramdam asimakta da sajaba kangla gi polam sing fangbiragani luhong panthana lakpada miyam gi damak leizare leima kabok loinana luhong bagi yakhanaba discount su izari akupa marol gi damak contact obiu 8131877217 natraga 9612056941
Kangla kabok chabiyu yamna hawbani
kangla leima kabok
Breaking matung dang mong taram da okchari adu luming tabi se times of Manipur gi talking point ni ngasi talking point kan khana zarim libasi lady ba Manipur gi issues is the how far koi gi lady ba incumbent state government sin effectively masi handle tawri ba ge duga miyam gi ihul khangna miyam na pami ba maruina kokomi na pami ba sigumba naga peace accord ki mahwa ki matang da assembly kauraga miyam gi oiba Manipur lenga ki oiba phirep thamhauba mathau tai haibasi gi matang da ni masi da Wajik mungkin wena assembly pamba mathau tai tadi haibadu ni koine break mangna thamjige se duga break mangda ina thamjage breaking news amtang han thamjage koige kokomi gi mihu singa lenga ki mihu singa wari sanabadu yanaba porapangam dabadagi kokomi na hana dei hongna changselakpa khongjang koige koi section wakan mi pam section wakat koi khongchat aduga koige even sangai festival boycott tobagi wapam handokpa leitri hena lauthokre duga kokomi gi maikai digi su masu koi thambiri hena koi breaking bizab ni madudi makhatana lenga na kaurakpa any mipam dargana wari batai sanasi haiba matamda agenda ama preset tawraktragadi kokomina amuhana lenga ku unarwa haibisima thamgre habtare ai amjo do mujlak sergi hojiki haiba hojiki ladiba situation nik lawramba time koigi tan pham stage da hariba koigi assembly kauraga miyam gi oiba achetpa phire reaffirm tawbasi mathau ta de angang macha sanabado na thokani haibisi da tamoi kai wakal thamini
ke emo parliament natraga assembly Manipur Assembly, saya hai Manipur Assembly na Manipur Praja represent away BJP na tauti. Prime Minister cannot represent
Manipur
the people of Manipur. Manipur ki Praja represent away is Manipur Assembly ni. Manipur Assembly na lepa warep to Manipur Praja ki warep ni. Manipur Assembly na lepa warep to Manipur Praja ki warep ni.
Hoy.
Aduna hujik seng na kanda Manipur gi itihas ta yam sanga ba sahi lising ani gi itihas ta hujiki leiba Manipur gi leiba kai bai wase masi de leiba kai bai wa la bai si handaki sina ahan baneo yamna akoi gi naga peace to ki final settlement malak pada kai gadra haidna hangna reise aikoina integrity hain haibse se yam laina karingum kana kana gumna ama akogi Manipur gi akoi leiba map ade anisho the is ethnic identity ada sarol degi haudna lakpa singmi tammi mayam gi akoi social composition ethnic identity and in the meantime administrative entity sason gi oiba entity sikaram kalai aikoi North Eastern Reorganization eki makhada Manipur si sason to baganda aikoi gi Congress ki matam da ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ Hill Area Committee ꯑꯃ President order ꯊꯣꯛꯑꯒ Article 371C ko 371C gi provision 1 da Hill Area Committee am sem Hill Area Committee am sem gani aro rule of business sem dokani government gi hairaga sakti punamak sason se Manipur Assembly and the Manipur government was taken into confidence during the time of the Congress. Magi Nagamayam Punbara Tauro Aduga Sakti Punamak Akwegi Manipur Assembly government the confidence Tambadunea. As I wanna Congress Party na do high Adagi Madu Handopaya Abre Adabra and Ado Congress na Tarumi ba step to Natarane BJP na follow Toricho. Is it not the BJP follow the part? Aduneva. Marai the Angel Latana. Akoi Kari, Akogi King as I Jacre Akogi evening history of Naga is recognized. Why BJP has trampled the history of Manipur? Kari, you know, BJP na Manipur history. Why BJP has insulted the people of Manipur? Manipur ki itihas ki sakthok chariba Manipur prajada BJP na ngasi marai da aikoi ki insult tawriba si akoi prajada insult tawsi karigino aikoi assembly kauba si kara akoi darkar leitaba ai se haijakre aikoi ki sahi Nifu Mari Sure Assembly agenda ama tha taruk le di kawi ai nupam chai matam da tha taruk ka nom he su ganda kawi aduna sigum ba leiba kai bi wa ji khana draga di kari wa no khana doisa kari wa no si kan lanthum le khot pagi wari dura navi na ha gi wari sa bi kaudori bra Assembly karam ganda kaugoda gya ba we should leave the priority leiba kai ba lal Kai Lak Leva Kai Bagi emergency parliament emergency special parliament special session Pambado to Samana. Hojik Akoi Levak the Mayam the Kangi Madudi additional security forces. Adel Ayoji. Adi and Doctor Amukta Manipur Itias the Toktaba Akoigi war flame lak that's why the extra theory. Madam the Karimba Lan Tog the Awam Barot Kanam Nigai. Ado Akoigi honorable Simis the Immobilian Rima Kangdi and Haiman. She Tari Mam the Kangdi Adi Lakopne and Hai. I'm really surprised because Unified Command BSF CRP Adua the Yaurubagi ship say Birian name. He is the chief of the Unified Command and the Chief Secretary Security Arrangement Guinea. Aduga State ki subject center na karigamba kanda koi information pidna koi additional forces hadn't be ate. It was happened once in Canada. It was happened in UP in 80s. Koi Benarchi Das Ivan Chief Minister Kanda. Madam the Congress ki Home Minister Butas in additional CRPF Tajalukanda. Ma kana Benarsi dasna man high give a law level. This Adarji does not understand law and order is state subject. Because under Chief Minister na adumana European Pire aba war practice ka tauna dagi lan don si siwai me am thajin na yena kai egun da ngak pa sina phari adu ergadi adai madad Chief Minister na Kang de Hairakpa, Aqua Levax Data, Chief Minister Weriba Levax, the MLA Weriba, Levax de Ryan Titoriba, Aqua the Gi. Intijan is Saditova, Aqua BJP Uzi, Pampariba, Ibu Oikariba, so Mayam there. Masidi couldn't in a single Mayam Pradam of the lady. They can't believe. They have not the faith. Marudi Aqua Hujik. Pradhan Mantri na natraga Home Minister na in spite of repeated insurances. I know say high give framework agreement da. Ade hojik lai sarkar sina Manipur University matang da. Pick who is BC? BC is a mere officer of the Manipur University madubu Manipur Pradana Yadava Sata Kunaina Yadra Adu Tan and Chakraka Adu Tan Bilakta Sondi Talaga Pradam the once and Basigumba Sajat ki gunman Sigumba Sajat ki leader Karmaina Koi Mara Tajagani I don't know Tajade Ujikshuni I Manipur Assembly Special session Kaugada Bani the assembly itself, as I want and high grade. Manipur Kaiva gi wafam lakvakanda. The assembly represent the people of Manipur. This assembly represents the entire population of Manipur. It mirrors the hope, aspiration, expectations. Prajagi aning apa mayam se madu reflect out in them. Madu assembly kaureba. Aduga karigumbada hojik laidiba miyamgi apamba aningba mayam se assembly sina madubu uba ngamdraba khangba ngamdragadi. I am very sorry. Masigi assembly se masi thoidona kanadawi assembly ni haina lawaya. Adu ngasai kanona ibona khara Angang, we Bahagada, Naha, we were the Kangdam, Tawin Kali, Adu Akoigi, Garigubakanda, Akoigi, Assembly, Kobakanda, Pagi, Donaga, Haina, Haibadudi, Akoi, Ibumo, the Gi, Haibtare, Hena Kangba, Hena Singwa, Manipuri Praja, Mayam, the Dabi Torise, Ibumo, busy to be the labor leaders, into singing Kaluno, Kangan Kaluno. Noidagi kun kunra he na kangba mayam lai Manipur Praja.
Tawon tong punga laksage Manipur Assembly na Manipur gi miyam represent tawuni BJP na represent tawda bunate or even Prime Minister na Manipur miyam gi Labor Assembly represent tawunate. Adon miyam na pami bidi Assembly ni Assembly at least hana gi phana resolution lerega su khana biu haibani madeda Prime Minister assurance pirak pa koi accept tawi yai Adumapu Manipur gi miyam represent of Manipur Assembly the wapam si khana ba mathau tai habis is the hojik thambiri ni kari batil kari thambini male
sigi hojiki do wahang do adi mangda ina amuka ne emphasize tawning ba pot am dilere maram di BJP si lebak ning da ba lebak pu kai na bu hona ba aduma party amoina project tawna bu hona banina with some sort of emotional di Manipuri amoina ai motal oina emotional oina ramgani but logically yeng ba mandi tarkali haitai emotion gi hargadi that emotional explosion adu di mi khudima ki loina ne ba adu bo logically yeng kan da ekadai phaba chumi chumdi hai bado madu koi hana khangpham thokpani sin khanjai na aina amuchu aduga mu ai gi motadi khwaidigi leibak ba political party ma khalwai di ai gi BJP ni na hai ni Manipur bu khwaidigi nu sujaba Lebak am khalu har gadi atei teng sing asi layo national party mayam leiba mayam sidagi BJP na khwai digi hena Manipur nungsi jaba Manipur gi damakta kunimak tawgen hona jaba dumba party ni hena du mane thamjani hoi politicking taw matam da BJP si tongan ba dark side ta project taw na bo honar ga so adu hujiki ai na muksha na repeat tawjari duni Han already koi tamajo tak period 12 times resolution logre adigi chumi Manipur si assembly de phami ba mihut mayam sina represent tawbani adugo koi gi BJP digi ka gi ba haiba tare BJP di ka gi ba aduga ngasi magna assembly si gi speaker on puri ba honorable speaker koi honorable speaker tamu kem chan ko mahak masamak su assembly gi side tagi memorandum pisandana assembly as a leader of the assembly masamak BJP dagi ka bibini BJP da Manipur na kyam nungsige se maduna su dum ai tak pren khale masamak ibada natana sagi resolution mayam do tarani thorak logi bari resolution adigi kaya kari khanagi punamak tu mayek lana pod ai khoida pami posi Manipur kai dana ba pami posi sini hai poto already thamgrabani ba to the concerned authority ani subada mo masamak chatlaga mari leina ba authority mayam Delhi da unaraga assurance mangon da su koi na su media da su ure mangon da assurance mayam pirak khreba ngarang makta da su ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯅꯤꯁꯇꯔ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠ ꯍꯣꯝ ꯑꯦꯐꯤꯌꯔꯁꯀꯤꯅꯁꯨ ꯀꯔꯤꯝꯇ ꯇꯧꯔꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯁꯝꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯕꯗ ꯑꯦꯚ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯄꯣꯁꯤꯕꯜ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯗꯒꯤ ꯁꯥꯔꯀꯜꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯊꯣꯔꯤꯇꯦꯠ ꯁꯥꯔꯀꯜꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯑꯁꯣꯛꯄ ꯀꯔꯤꯝꯇ ꯂꯩꯔꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯍꯟꯖꯟ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒ ꯂꯥꯛꯄ ꯄꯣꯠꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯇꯥꯃꯣꯅꯕꯨꯗꯤ ꯋꯥꯔꯧꯕꯤꯔꯦ ꯑꯉꯥꯡ ꯃꯆꯥ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯕ ꯑꯩ ꯑꯉꯥꯡ ꯃꯆꯥ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ ꯀꯧ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯝꯗꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯣꯂꯤꯇꯤꯀꯦꯜ ꯄꯥꯔꯇꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯗꯤꯃꯥꯟꯗꯁꯦ ꯀꯧ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯏꯁꯨꯁꯤ ꯅꯩꯅꯁꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯏꯁꯨ ꯑꯃꯠꯇ ꯅꯩꯅꯁꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯅꯠꯇꯦꯕ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯤꯁꯤ ꯏꯁꯨꯁꯤ ꯅꯩꯅꯁꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯔꯤꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯖꯤꯛ ꯁꯤꯆꯨꯋꯦꯁꯟꯅ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯄꯣꯂꯤꯇꯤꯀꯦꯜ ꯄꯥꯔꯇꯤꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯔꯤꯕ ꯄꯣꯠꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯖꯤꯛ ꯁꯤꯆꯨꯋꯦꯁꯟꯗꯨ ꯌꯧꯗ꯭ꯔꯤꯁꯤꯅꯤ only ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯏꯁꯨ ꯈꯛ ꯅꯩꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ
political party ꯅꯠꯇ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯁꯤꯗꯤ tragic ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯅ
I
ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯁꯤꯗꯤ
don't know ꯑꯩꯅ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯂꯣꯖꯤꯛꯁꯤ ꯈꯪꯗꯕꯁꯦ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ tragic is ꯄꯨꯡꯒꯟꯕ tragedy do you want June 18  na sakini
June 18 na
so many things will happen
June 18 na
haibiro ne karino no pinadoi se keno
June 18 na
in essence I am the PDO say what the government of India is going to offer today in essence I am just tell us
hoy manipur sok te
we want to know that
akwai assurance
no do yam khang kanu nang su you are in the blind try to nang gumsi
hoy
I know you
tamon
I know Biren who honorable CM I know everyone
ai tamon ngoma badagi hoy
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯣꯂꯤꯇꯤꯁꯥꯏꯁ ꯇꯧꯕꯤ ꯚꯥꯕꯇ ꯇꯧꯋꯦꯕ
hoy tamon nan laksege tamon mo kam ge wa ko se digini ai tamon na laksege
no adu achi sumaina hairagadi
kari haini noina ya nangi politics to thore politics to sui to sui ni but manipur kan sai bani ni
manipur kan bani tamu koi no manipur doesn't come my party is leading a political party my party is leading a
party na manipur interest ke matak lapya roi
to the central government
your party will not prevail the interest of the people of manipur
excuse me tamo
adu ne akoi nai je
manem ta pe
adu hai oi ba
adu ne exciting tamo hai je
akoi angam sa ta halakanu akoi ne simply go with the reason we are saying it
adu ne akoi ne reason
party lai gi wana ta
party lai gi wana
ai tare
my political
politics ta pusalak pinat ta vida miyam su
adu ne se boidra
even ko party yaw de ko minister assembly pa mi ai tare
honorable chief minister so hai se adu ne bai nai je se
ma ai honorable chief minister hai se adu ne ai the khanbada I am not trying to defend
let me complete tamo you will have your own time
minister na
tamo you will have your own time
if the need arises
yes exactly
simply kaune hai ba
adu ne tamo adu ne tamo ai hai but hojik akoi inkona jo haibi gre breaking news ta haibi gre ba kokomi ga sumai ton adu oirambia oindoi khangde ko breaking news ba but akoi na haije dingi nang sai ge let me have my time tamo you have enough time
okay
you're pointing your fingers you're pointing your fingers tamo I respect you
ani jigil we na heta kya emotional guy na tamo joy de na try emotional we na nga wa har no
tamo you have your own time let me have my time let me have my time I haije dingi tamo
I don't know why you are defensive na government of India thaji the manam sime amam like trust deficit lai adu problem yes no government your government has to breach that gap forget about
assembly koro
miyam na assembly pa
let us discuss problem if you are going to intervene me like that how can I say
okay carry on continue please
wangang bada de nang wangang bada ngam
okay tamon na excuse me tamon mo question jaraga tamon na
adune honorable CM na haibi gibi honorable CM na haibi gibi to honorable no you can
please carry on please
tamon na adum haibi yai ba but let me have my time let me finish I get emotional I haijabado
I the kashidota da charge to matam da you have started
I charging to di tamu charge to di
hujik nangi party I am not interested in BJP I am interested in BJP doing what people wants adu baktani Manipur kahan pamde
Manipur kahan karam pamde Manipur kahan karam pamde ai khoi haijir di BJP na hena atop hen atop BJP na assembly adu ne haijir ai khoi na huji honorable CM na haijir haibi gi buduni honorable CM na haibi gi buduni honorable CM na haibi gi buduni ba no honorable CM na haibi gi buduni ba huji laiba situation sidai da
you are more worried about following the government
huji laiba situation sidai da
no gi marakta contradiction se sauthorakani
okay
this will come on the floor of the house and high
what about this especially coalition party
huji laiba situation honorable CM na hairi se huji laiba situation honorable CM na hairi se matang lakini adu darka legadi kaugni haibane ba darka legadi kaugni haiba adu bo honorable CM na mayak sing haibi redana mayak sing haibi honorable CM na mayak sing haibi reba huji ko enadi haiba assurance mayam leibani na adugi tragic situation du yaudri na adugi ne ba
adu trying to explain you know nagi history me am do Nagi akhoi ke no
please don't point fingers. Please don't point fingers to me.
Chasing situation se lakadore.
Please don't point finger to me. Doesn't mean that you should point finger to me like that.
Okay, forget about it. Chasing situation se lakadore na ben. Alarm lakadore. Alarming hoisi is the alarming oi de harga de kam kan alarming oi disi.
Adu ne na haijing sai dia. Darka lega adu ipotu ne let the government decide. Let the government decide. Let the government decide.
Unique history of the
unique history of Naga. Does it mean that our unique history no? Does it mean that our unique history has been recognized by the government of India?
Foundation
just because unique history of Naga has been recognized by the government of India doesn't mean that our history has to be recognized.
These Naga
Tamun say hi to the let me clear.
Government of India
unique history of Nagaland. Does it mean that our history has not been recognized?
Okay.
Not at all. Aikoigi unique history of Naga si recognized to we hide then aikoigi history temple to winati.
Okay. Aikoigi history recognized to winati. Aikoigi history recognized to the winati. Aikoigi history aikoigi puari si temple to winati. Okay. Agreed. Aikoigi hujiki hariba framework agreement aikoigi media manam di framework agreement kanam to udri. Whatever information that we get about framework agreement is from newspapers only, from the media only. Okay.
Media the high posting
parliamentary home affairs on standing committee on home affairs ko adu respect to the governor of
no, I have gone through all that.
71A Nagaland apply to masi to
there are so many speculations. 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 Speculation speculation without basis. Heta tragic and devastating point it is, I mean, just too hyper.
Why is the BJP government hiding this framework agreement from us? Open it up.
No, it has its own reasons.
We have every right. Nang lawyer ni kayo, you should nangi right na fundamental right to know.
Fundamental right to know. RTI makada suba gi schedule leidana ko. Schedule leiba haiba yaba. Haiba double leiba.
The basic fundamental interest of
RTI gi makada si thagre ko. Framework agreement haidu oina. Thagre ko. Thagre but Sagi exempted clause to Manung Chalian, high the Vaneva. Exempted clause to Manung Chalan, high even commission on information commission on that, but information commission on Madugi exemption the Chalabanina Madu, high be yardage, high never. Because exemption the Chalibi Maram Adumleva, Aquina RTI do ek Paramatum da Bagi clause, statement object to Park under the Masak Kangeva. Adumina, high report framework agreement, the Karika Yagas, I do the exemption clause and Haido Kidabanina, Haido Kidabi Madam Sweden Ganeva.
Okay.
But at the same time, assurance from the top officers, Prime Minister, Honorable Prime Minister, even Minister of Home Affairs, State Minister, Amit Shah in the pigre.
But why people are not trusting it? Miyam Thazadi.
Oh yes. All party will punum Pamagan mind Thazadi.
Assurance BJP ki Kamu Katana Thazad BJP ki Kamu Thazad.
BJP
was hiding from everyone.
BJP is in government. BJP is in government. Adunan Masana BJP assurance Peter Congress the big.
Okay, Wafam Tamu edition Tambiram Meduga, Tamono Tambining to Tambira Kanda Kogi, which was Parliament session Chatari, Manipuri MPs in the Masigi, issues raised the Wimuta, Arunachal Pradesh MP in the hand raised of two side of it kind of president.
No, I Kanogi Aina Kanbada was keep framework agreement. I don't think that Akogi Manipuri Dagi BJP the Kagi MP na he will raise his voice against the framework agreement.
Hazadev.
No, I do Madu Aranbo again. Aduga I am gonna comment over.
Okay.
Aduga say I am hage. Framework agreement say masi propaganda. This the main outline of the agreement. Nagi huziki makada manung the kari yawno yawdun me she kang da. What will be the main outline of the agreement? Yana mada harisi unique history of Naga is recognized.
Right.
Sovereignty belongs to the people. Framework agreement is met under the within the provision of constitution. However, under the provision of constitution, have sin have. However, framework agreement siki what is the main outline? The main outline is the unique history of Naga. Is it not?
Framework agreement ki magi.
Unique history of Naga.
Man.
Adorgadi Nagagi problem solved the unique history of Bharat Sarkar recognized the way. I will not mention the name. Aren Ravi interlocutor wearing at the Kanagumba Mikaran on the high. Why you do not oppose it? What about the history of Manipur?
Yes, sir. Come to talk.
Nangi Hujikariba outline Jaliba unique history of Aikogi Naga Ishe. Kara Kari context and over Naga history unique way they have not there. We just know over. Yen Fazavi Itias, we just know over. Kari context no. Manipur Tariba Naga inhabited areas. Aduga Naga inhabited Nagagi population say. See Matang the Nganga Bugi context and ever. Adorgadi. Is it not sideline the history of Manipur? Natro, is it not Karihaini history of Manipur to be ignored Nagagi history edo? Maduna unique history edo main outline Oiraga Made the framework agreement same ever. This is the main outline. How we could believe it?
Okay.
Unique history or Naga either Madon the unique history Naga the Luini Yanga Nagagi Piran Piganiga Nagagi Constitution Piuga and Hagale. Why Constitution to the Piranbu Husik Fira Leia bro Rajasthani ki Fira Leia bro Tamil ki Fira Legadro Muslim ki Fira Legadro. A unique history of Naga is Hori Imam therefore this main outline of the this agreement
Framework agreement
is framework agreement is the unique history of Naga.
Bias
yes, it is a bias. Bias agreement. Naga people bias agreement no
closing
ethnic line the boundary yet world history fighting Hitler don't know about Pan, the German Tomoyam fail away. India, the 100 Nasi, it's now Nagagi, Hajariba, Nagari, present of Yamu, Ivana, we say ethnic line the boundary, Yanaba Honore, which is a wrong foundation, basic flooring, as the government of Indiana, and a tassel, Moy, a piece of one of the Manipur to Gaina, will see is stable, will say. This is very, very tragic, devastating. Anda, I the hygienic Akui Tamojo in Haigiva, Manipuri, I must say high Rokadako. This will again sound wrong. Manipuri history is India one of the finest, quite unique way, but the best unique way history the Manipuri. History is a way. It had my history is a 2000 years beyond the nation state culture, tradition, practices. Administration में हमसे लाख बनी ना. This is India के context quite unique way देखो ये देवा. Naga history I don't know. It was recently coined just to appease Naga underground.
I don't get what is wrong. It is defective agreement.
It's defective. I don't know. In the long run, politically,
it is a prem.
Why India के चांद क्या याम ले रहे हैं तो कोई Manipur nation state में लाभ तो कोई चांद क्या याम नहीं.
Okay.
I hygienic इसे. मुझे इसे Manipur की de jure Naga territory लेते.
Okay.
अरे Manipur दा They are known by Tangkhul, Mao, Maram.
There is no Naga population.
No Naga population in Manipur. On the basis of this, population na mo isigi claim, boundary claim, autonomous, supra state, territorial council, maximum autonomy. No, nothing doing. This is wrong. Government of India na Prime Minister na koi CM na mo team sina BJP na chakga lali hai do. They should have the guts to say it.
Okay.
Last lali na.
Last
Assembly not only boundary.
Okay.
Everything should be taken on the floor of the house now.
Okay. Closing comment on minimum ta tamuno program to yes.
Akoigi tamujoin haibido. Akoigi unique history of Naga recognized to matamda unique history of Manipur se trample to haibido. Adu aigi motadi madu natte. Government of India na su akoigi unique history. Akoigi Manipur gi unique history je fajan recognize to we akoigi karam mai karamba history dagi yam ariba civilization amani haibishi loinamag recognize to we. Aduga hujiki government of kanona NACN IM harisiko NACN IM taliba khudima loina pigini haiba kari laite tal ethnic line da semu amma semu mogi se kari firan tungangadamni constitution tungangadi haiba demand di mayam leramba yai adubo madugi poching do kari madu da pigani haiba assurance karim ta bharat sarkar na people laite at the same time aina haijeningina akoigi leadership now they have assured us that ethnic line da karim ta sokpa leroi Manipur da akaiba karim ta leroi madu mathakta mo akoina haire na ngasi kaidagasu another 50-20 years ki manungda kaidana bagi damte akoina demand tori madu muksu akoi assurance leire aduna masimang na akoina at this particular juncture aigi appeal to the public is that let's stay calm, let's believe to our leadership, and let's work together without recognizing any political line.
Okay, but don't ask for assembly session the time. Let's work together. Okay. Okay, fine. I'm so sorry. I matam jay kay selector makoy gi.
Akoy Prime Minister na number last line na Prime Minister should listen to the voice of the democratically represented akoy prajasi.
Man emo na di hai di.
Kulay pa yung voice of democracy da. Tapi you not a handful of
yes.
You know, the hiding brand. Manipur da hiding group sige matat na. Criminal cases here. 200. I the assembly they raised away. How many cases are filed against this group? This group. I the terrorist group they hijacked a record. So many cases of crimes. Yang lagi reba.
Outline the Yapakanda. Outline the Yapakanda. Unique history of Naga. Ka bisa bis. The history of Manipur recognized I am rich Mugadawa.
Anyway, our market have that. Anyway, young discussion
this in history of Naga is the main outline of this agreement.
I accept those.
That's why the Sultan hasn't highlighted. Prime Minister has to I can't believe Amisha.
Yam what is discontinue to move up there. Anyway, tamo yam nuaise tamo lingsen bidana tamo nanandi tamo no pongam lingsen biraga ngasi gesumba topics da ista wakalon pongdo pirba mainly amuka hanna lengbi ri ba gogi alor panelist ani dagi gogi assembly section gi amuhana post so biram masim makoina masim longje have time mamdi keno ko mi mai gi su
to ro hai record su
but yes darkar le ke have ni darkar du mathau du mian hai okay yam no ai panelist samana
adu tamoi ni side
assembly da reflect to drama
tamo koi sing brazil orga mu off record wari makhata na saran ni saran je ba ho je mo ki di on ya da di koi lotion jam time mamdi keno
darkar le gi di ko gani
9 pm tar kuno na panelist ahum mo muka thaga ja phongdu sarga mi tabe puno mukta sunga sigi oina di talking point batang sai lotion jarbaga amon na khoyum jari kana na ya thang ni jari khurum jari